Menteri Barim Jongkatan Arts and Culture Joko Sarkar Jela Ubak Sanbor Sulai Mentaka Sengi Uletu Baumat Jung Sim Tirot Sing Sim Uklawat Kejai Bin Riu Yau Balate Hadhaka Bangladesh Balapli Hanin Kesengi Joko Kan Riu Terik Rempang Dau Sumbut Menteri Rangba Kajela Ubak Sngewbha Halang Dahar Menteri Ketenat Arts and Culture Ubak Pol Lyngngoh Menteri Ketenat Ki Kam An Kakong Amperin Lyngngoh Bat Kiwe Ubak Sanbor ulai tu ba une umau mot sanam udai yau balamat phang hakapor budang long Menteri Jongkatan Arts and Culture ulai tu bahak kijing sisa katkum kijing kren baru kijing tho kiba ula pendap banyo sanction ru kadai bantai yau mau mot bashirun yang Henry omsem lai I satya katkum kijing tho penban ubatang Shiteng Motdur kumbala pli hanin kesengi.
That too, it's already inaugurated, so I'm very happy, and the people of our state, especially the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo community, we are happy that after 52 years our statehood, yes, of course, I have initiated when I was art and culture minister. So at the end of the day, we have inaugurated it yesterday, and we have announced in the house. So this is the happiest moment to the people of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo people. And also the family members of Tirot Singh, the Himanang Cow, and all the NGOs, the students, and the people at large.
Your idea was a full-size statue. But how come now it is only a
Because I'm no more the cultural minister, I'm not aware of that.
Okay,
actually, during my time, based on the records, it's a full-size statue.
Also, why you could not go there? I mean, no invitation?
I got invitation, but I got invitation at the last moment. Yesterday only, when after assembly, when I went in the evening, so I saw invitation card on my table. So anyway, we are very happy. We are very happy.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.